let's now move to our next presenter from Paynamics. Innovate payment solutions that go beyond, a leading Filipino payment solutions provider. Let me call in Mr. Nobel Buenaventura as a relationship manager within a leading fintech company specialized in cultivating robust connections with merchants and partners. The professional background encompasses sales and computer studies according to distinctive blend of expertise, ideally suited to this dynamic industry. His commitment lies in comprehensively understanding the needs of clients and delivering bespoke solutions to propel them toward their financial objectives. Driven by a fervor for innovation and unwavering dedication to customer service, he is resolute in his mission to deliver unparalleled experiences and foster exponential growth within the fintech sector. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nobel Buenaventura.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I am Nobel. So hindi ko na sarili ko since nasabi natin kanina. So we are Paynamics. We are a payment gateway industry and we can disperse also money. So I think yung mga na-present kanina, if you need a payment gateway, kailangan nyo ng mga payment gateway company na para sa website nyo. I think we are the company that you need. So who we are, Paynamics is a global payment solution and we are providing over secure and efficient and reliable electronic solutions. So these are our vision and mission. And si Paynamics po, 14 years na po sa industry and we have 3 DSP license and 5,000 plus merchants. And we have 50 plus payments options. And Paynamics po, owner ng Paynamics, meron pong 40 years na experience po sa fintech industry. And these are our license certification to share to everyone. And for PCI DSS and data privacy. And we also recognize sa mga media features like Forbes, ANC, ABS-CBN, Inquirer, Big Asia, and yung babae po na nasa photo, yan po yung aming CEO since 19. So we are also invited sa mga radios, news, and many more. And si Paynamics po, we are catering different industries, like this industries po. And aside from that, these are our example clients. So leading retailers, digital goods services, e-commerce, cryptocurrency, mga banks, insurance, and healthcare, government, education. So sa mga governments po, we also cater like LTO, and many more po. Transportation and hotels, sa mga travels, we also cater them. So ito po yung mga sample lines ni Paynamics. And we also partnering with technology stocks. So ito po, front-end API, mobile development and integration kits. So sa mga technical person po, ito po yung mga partner namin. So ito po yung solution ni Paynamics. So dito po tayo ikot. So payment gateway, we have payment gateway, Paygate, and Paybiz. So ano nga ba si Paygate? Si Paygate po, we can integrate to your website or sa mga walang website po like startup business na wala pang website. We can also use Paynamics po sa mga non-integrated po. So example ko po dito yung mga email billing, yung mga link na pwede nyo pong i-email sa customer, didiretso siya para maging payment. And pwede nyo pong QR code. So ganyan po si Paynamics. And pwede po sa over-the-counter and e-wallets, e-commerce, and many more po. So si Paynamics po may mga kayang gawin like tokenization of subscription. So sa mga nag-try po dito na nagbabayad ng mga insurance sa online, so si Paynamics po yung nakasave yung data. So kung meron po kayong business na gano'n na gusto nyo mag-save yung data ng inyong mga customer, And then, automatic magsusubscribe lang. Example nito yung Netflix. Pag nag-register kayo sa Netflix, nagma-monthly subscription po. So, ganun yung pwedeng gawin. And aside from that, we can also refund tool, reverse payment, post-bank inquiry, and split pay. So, anong advantage ni Paynamics? Meron kaming dashboard. So, yung dashboard po for accounting purposes or finance, ito po yung monitor nyo po yung mga transaction ng mga customers ninyo. So, makikita dito kung ano yung mga payments na ginamit, names, information clients, makikita nyo po dito kapag nag-payment po sila through payment gateway. And our TA po, ito po yung sa mga company na mga insurance, lending, nag-disburse ng money. So si Paynamics po, like may mga partner po kayo or nagpapasahod po kayo sa mga empleyado, pwede po si disbursement natin. So kung ayaw nyo na pong mag-agent or sa mga banks natin, may mga agents tayo pag ano po tayo salary, so pwede pong gamitin sa TK. Kayo mismo po ang pwedeng mag-navigate or magpadala using TK po sa mga ating employee. And we also have dashboard, meron din pong dashboard sa TK. And we have multiple payouts po. So mamaya mapapakita ko po yung kung ano yung mga payment channels ng Paynamics. So user multiple dashboard and detailed reports, kagaya po na sinabi ko sa payment gateway. And our paybies po, so double paano pag wala kaming website and we can integrate. Meron pong ginawa si Paynamics na paybies at made by Paynamics po at Filipino-owned. So ito po yung QR code na kapag scan po ng QR code sa mga physical store, so pwede namin kayo bigyan ng standee. So pag scan po ng QR code parang GCash, may lalabas po ng mga payment channels. So yung mga payment channels na yun, yung pwedeng gamitin ng mga customers ninyo para gamitin for payment ng inyong customer. So pwede siyang e-wallets, banko, credit cards, installment, non-installment, pwede siya. And yun po, wala po siyang limit. So you can use paybies wherever, kung magkano po ang gamitin ng customer. And they have own dashboard, so makikita nyo rin po yung transaction. Real-time po ang transaction, real-time po yung pagkita nyo kung nag-transact or hindi, or nag-fill. And ito po, ang kinagandahan ni Paybiz is friendly user po siya. So kahit hindi po developer, pwede pong gamitin si Paybiz. Kahit local or small businesses po, pwede po. So ito po yung aming payment channels. So credit card, over-the-counter, mobile wallets, online bank transfer, and installment payments. So kung may mga customer kayo na walang pang-cash out or pang-bayad ng cash, pwede niyo pong gamitin yung installment or credit card on their own. So yung installment natin for non-credit card, Civilis and Home Credit, and for credit card, ito po yung mga different amounts. So yung mga customer natin, mag-enjoy po sila na gamitin ito in one platform po sa website natin pag ginamit niyo po yung Paynamics. And also, for payout po sa disbursement natin, so for example po, magpapasalary tayo at si employee po natin walang bangko pa since bago siya. They can use mobile wallets or yung ating bayad center. So, yan po yung pwede natin gamitin aside po sa mga 50 plus na bangko natin na partner. And ito po, for technology canvas, medyo technical lang po. So, ang base panel, ito po yung ating website. Kung gusto nyo pa-integrate sa website niyo using Paygate. Para magkaroon ng Paygate or check out po sa website. That is base panel. So, workflow, plugin, ito po yung sa mga e-commerce na website like WooCommerce, Shopify, pwede po si Paynamics doon. We are partnering with them. The integration panel, ito po yung mga pages. Wala may business po kayo or wala naman kayong website, pwede nyo pong gamitin si Paynamics na email billing and one pages. So kung mag-trade po kayo, kung may mga student or anak po kayo na nag-aaral sa mga CEU, De La Salle, meron po silang ginagamit na payment link. So behind po that is Paynamics. So pwede po yun. And for recurring deferred payment sa mga NGO, pwede po ito. Special requirement funnel, data vault, ito po yung sinabi ko kanina, nag-save the data. And split payment and mass payout po. Ano yung mass payout po? Well, yung mass payout po yung disbursement. Kunwari napakadami, like 100 na employee po. Papadalhan niyo or papasahurin niyo sabay-sabay, pwede po yun. Or sa insurance po, mga claimants, marami pag-claim, pwede pong gamitin. Or lending company, pwede po siya ng sabay-sabay. Kahit iba-ibang channels po or payment or channels po na pwedeng pag-pick up ni customer niyo. And notification engine. So one of our nice way na meron si Paynamics is notification engine kapag may successful transaction, mag-i-email po sa inyong customer. And meron din po kaming SMS. So pwede nyo pong gamitin kapag nag-transaction si customer para magkaroon sila ng assurance na receive nila or nakakapag-successful transaction, text or email po. Front review, pwede po tayong mag-ban ng mga country na gusto nating i-ban if ever in-cater na natin yung international. Kasi may mga country po na may mga hackers, so we can ban them. And also we can have a card promo. And ito po yung payment experience ni Paynamics. Ito po yung mga sample clients namin. So for RPF No Need Fair, si Abenson. So kapag nag-check out po kayo ng mga gadgets ninyo at nag-installment po kayo, online, pwede po kami. So, behind po dun si Paynamics po. And sa digital bank, Uno Bank, so one of our partner po. So, kung gumagamit po kayo ni Uno Bank at kapag nagpapadala kayo ng money at nagre-receive kayo ng money or pay-in, si Paynamics po. And sa insurance natin sa AIA. So, AIA, like Sun Life, si Paynamics po ang behind ng payment gateway nila. So ito po yung sinasabi ko yung nagsisave ng data para magkaroon ng subscription na every time na merong need na bayaran si customer on that particular month or day. And we also have si Starbucks po, tokenization po. So kung mga nag-Starbucks dito, yung nagsisave na meron po kayong ganito, so sa Paynamics po ang behind niya. And Shopee, also si Paynamics po ang behind ng payment gateway nila. So kapag naglalagay po kayo sa ng money sa wallet ni Shopee, kami po ang behind. And also sa LTO, sa mga government. So sa mga natitikitan po at gusto magbayad online, ang behind po nun si Paynamics. And yan po, isa sa mga government clients namin. Ito po yung sa mga schools, sa mga non-integrated o walang website. So ito pong link na to, sinesend ng registrar sa mga parents na gusto magbayad sa student. At ito po yung lumalabas kapag click nila ng link. Without integrating to your website. So, ayun po, sa mga Facebooks or Messenger message, pwede po ito. And we also have Cash Kiosk. And si Paybiz po. So, si Pay. And aside from that, ito po yung security features namin. So, kapag gusto niyo po ng copy ng presentation, we can email you or you can contact me. Pwede ko po kayo bigyan ng presentation copy. And why Paynamics? Over 40 years na po ang combined experience. And we have 24/7 local support po. So usually yung mga bangko po ay 5 days lang and office hours. But for Paynamics, we have 24/7 na customer service. Through Viber, email, and Messenger po sa Facebook namin. Pwede po tayong mag-ask kay Paynamics kapag may tanong tayo. And last one, we have technology developed by Paynamics. So kapag meron kayong development or gusto or wala kayong developer pero may website kayo, pwede po kayong mag-contact sa amin or kontakin niyo po ako. We can refer you yung mga developer namin na kilala. So, ayan po. I'm done po. So, may questions po kayo and clarification.
Okay, so wala pong tanong. So with that, let me call in Sir Roy Blumantes, our Chief Technology Officer of NIFILA, to give the certificate of appreciation to Mr. Novel Buenaventura in grateful recognition for sharing his invaluable knowledge and experience to the participants of the Moodle Month Philippines 2024 given this 23rd day of May 2024, held at the Century Park Hotel Manila, signed Miss Cheryl R. Villaroman.